Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. This is the Audi TT that we've been working on. So what we're doing is just showing you through a little bit about the installation that we've carried out, and we'll start on the exterior. So the vehicle's been washed and hoovered like all the installations that leave our premises, and as you can see here there's a little ProFit wedge camera. So we use this camera basically because it has the optional reference lines, really smart and all watertight in there as well. When the boot's closed, you have to go quite low down, and it's just tucked away underneath there. So really discreet, you can't see that at all. So when we step inside the vehicle, what we've got is, there are all our contact details on there. So what we've got here is the Kenwood DNX unit. So this is the Kenwood unit which has built-in navigation. So it's the Kenwood 8170DABS. So it gives you built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, CD functionality as well as DVD. So we'll start with this. So what we've done is this unit here, I'll be talking you through a little bit through that. So it's got digital radio as well. So you've got all your presets and that's how it looks. So you've got over, I think, 15 presets on this unit. You've got all your stations listed there, and then you've got your volume control here as well. So when you press on home, you can click on navigation. This uses built-in Garmin navigation, so it's a top spec navigation system. Really like Garmin. And then you've also got in here, when you connect up your phone, so what we've got, we run two USBs into the glove box. They will then do the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so when you collect up your phone. Main feature on this vehicle as well, you've got tilt adjust. So when you start up the car, you can have it on a tilt feature. Very good in vehicles like T5s, T6s, where you've got a slightly slanted dashboard. One of our most popular units for those vehicles. And you've also got a disc eject there as well. So that's all in there. And you press the eject button to close. Really smart looking unit. At the top here, what we've got is a little microphone there, digital aerial there, and GPS there. So that's basically talking you through the unit. Really easy to use, really simple unit. And next thing we've done on this particular vehicle is upgraded the speakers. So we've changed the front end completely. So what I had in the vehicle from the start was a two-way, you got a 6.5 inch here, which was that of the original speaker, so quite poor quality, not very well manufactured there. So they're in that housing, and they were in this panel here. This panel had the grille, and we had the tweeter up at the top, but what it was, there was actually no speaker behind here. So what we've put in is the Audison three-way Prima kit. Sounds absolutely fantastic. So using existing grills, just changed the speakers. So we've gone from a two-way in the front to a three-way, so really separates the sound really well. And what we've got in here as well, so if I just start up the car, so if we have a quick listen if there's anything on the digital radio, we'll see if we can find a station with something on. So sounds really clear, a lot more bass, and also a lot more separation. So you've got a nicer sound coming from the tweeters. It's all a lot more cleaner. So this is actually running off the current amp as well. So really nice, simple install. We've used skin sound deadening as well. So that's our preferred choice of sound deadening. One of the key things that we've also done is added in-car Wi-Fi. So it's quite a simple upgrade that we've done. So that's all neatly tucked away there, and that's the Wi-Fi module. And as you can see here, you've got the two plugs there. So one of these things, obviously visibility is slightly poor in these cars. So what we've done is when you select reverse, you get a really clear image there of the camera. So absolutely sensational installation here. It's all finished perfectly. Really neat. For any questions about this installation or anything like this, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. or just search up Cambridge Car Audio. So we're posting all the details for this installation, all the products that we use, where you can get all the kit yourself, if you're supplying it, or we can do a supply and install as well. So we're based in Cambridge, so thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.